basically it's about violence. And so we are in a violent system. The system of white supremacy is based on violence. It's based on killing people and beating people. If you're going to enslave people, I mean, that consists of violence. And there are two basic types of violence that the white supremacists use worldwide and always have used. And that is direct violence, and that is physical violence, killing people, beating them, inflicting some type of direct physical violence on a person. And then there's indirect violence, and that's the violence that comes with deceit. That's the one that they mainly use in the modern day. In other words, they say things that they don't mean. That causes people's minds to go in the direction that it shouldn't go. When you're fooling people, you fool someone to that person's detriment. You're taking something away from the person. You're making the person believe something that's not true. Then you are committing violence against that person if you are gaining from having deceived that person. So that's the main thing that the white supremacists use. Now, talking about all white people, just talking about the smartest and most powerful ones, have chosen to run the world based on deceiving people and being violent against people based on color. Now, the people that they deceive and inflict violence upon pick up those things themselves. They pick up those habits. And that's why black people are usually confused when they get these mixed signals. They're saying, well, you shouldn't do that. You black people shouldn't be acting like that. Well, now, where did we get this teaching from?